Hi guys, welcome back. This year, Shivaratri in March month. Let's see what Mahashivaratri, what we can do. Before telling that, what is Mahashivaratri? Well, this is Kalyan, Horoscope 2021 channel. Subscribe me. Thank you. And Mahashivaratri is the Hindu festival celebrated annually in honor of God Shiv. The name also refers to the night when Shiva performs the heavenly dance. There is a Sivaratri in every lunar solar month of the Hindu calendar. On the month 13th or 14th day, but once a year in late winter, I mean February or March, this year in March, and before the arrival of summer, Marka Mahashivratri, which means the great night of Mahashivratri, Lingodbhav Kal. See, in the major festivals in Hinduism, and the festival is Solomon mocks the remembrance of overcoming darkness and ignorance in life and the world. It observed by remembering Shiv and chanting prayers. And main thing is fasting without having any food, and meditating on ethics and virtues such as honesty, non-injury to others, charity, forgiveness, and discovery of Shiva. That arrogant devotees keep awake all night. One day I was me. One day I visited Kashi Vishwanath temple at Mahashivran. It's a lucky day, heavy crowd, but it's a lucky day to see the God Shiva Har Har Mahadev. See, coming the ardent devotees keep awake all nights. We already told you. Others visit one of the Shiv temples or go on pilgrimages to Jyotirlingams. This is an ancient Hindu festival. All origin date is unknown. According to the South Indian calendar, Mahashivara is observed on Chaturdasi Tithi during Krishna Paksha in the month of Makha in other parts of India. And 13-14 night of Krishna Paksha in the Palguni of Hindu calendar. If you see the Gregorian calendar, however, remaining the same. This festival is very important to Hindu religions. See, in Kashmir, Shaivism in the festival calls Har Ratri are phonetically similar Hairat or Hirat by Shiv devotees of the Kashmir religion. If you are going to say about this one, deeply we will discuss about this one. Mahashivaratri is the annual festival day dedicated to God Shiva and is particularly important in Shaivism tradition of Hinduism, much like most Hindu festivals or which are celebrated during the day. The Mahashivratri is celebrated at night. Furthermore, unlike most Hindu festivals, which include expression of the cultural rivalry, the Mahashivratri is in Solomon event notable for its introspective focus, fasting, meditation on Shiva, self-study, social harmony, and all-night vigil at Shivaratri temples. Shiva temples. I'm sorry. The celebrations include maintaining a Zagaran, an all-night vigil and prayers because Shiva Hindu mocked that night was overcome darkness and ignorance in one's life and world through Shiva. Offering of fruits, leaves, sweets, milk to Shiva are made. Some perform all day fasting with Vedic and Tantric worship of Shiva, and some perform meditative yoga. In Shiva temples, Om Namah Shiva. The sacred mantra of the very powerful mantra of Shiva is chanting the name Panchakshari Om Namah Shivaya. Shiva devotes praise the long through the recitation of Shiv Chalisa. Mahashivaratri is celebrated over 3 or 10 days based on the Hindu to a lunar solar calendar. Every lunar month there is a Shivaratri and means 12 per year. Main festival called Mahashivaratri. We do Mahashivaratri every month before Chaturdasi. Before ending the day month as per Hindu calendar. And main Shivaratri will be celebrated in February and March, which is held 13th Vani moon and 14th day of the month Palguna in the Gregorian calendar. The day falls in either February or March. Its history and significance. Mahashivratri is mentioned in several Puranas, particularly in Skanda Purana, Linga Purana, Padma Purana. These medieval era Shaiva texts present different versions associated with the festival and mentioning fasting, reverence for icons of Shiva such as the Lingam. Different legends describe the significance of Mahashivaratri according to the one legend in the Shaivism tradition. This is the night when Shiva performs the heavenly dance of creation, preservation, and destruction. The chanting of hymns the reading of Shiva scriptures, and the chorus devotees join the cosmic dance and remember Shiva's presence everywhere. They pray to God Shiva. According to another legend, this is the night when Shiva and Parvati got married. A different legend states that the offering to Shiva's icons such as the linga in is an annual occasion to get over past sins, if any, to restart on a virtuous path and thereby reach Mount Kailasha and liberation. The significance and dance tradition to the festival, historical roots. Mahashivratri has reserved, I'm sorry, has served as a historic confluence of artist annual dance. Festivals at major temples such as Konark, Khajuraho, uh, Pattadakal, Madeira, and Chidambaram. This event is called Natyanjali, literally worship through dance. At Chidambaram temple, which is famous for its scripture depicting all dances mudras in the ancient Hindu texture performance are called Natya Shastra. Similarly, at Khajuraho Shiva temples, a major fair and dance festivals on Mahashivratri. Involving Shaiva pilgrims compete over miles around the temple complex was documented by Alexander Cunningham in 1864. Mahashivratri is considered the day when the Adi Yogi, the first to be awakened conscious at the material level existence. According to Tantra, at this stage of consciousness, no object or experience takes place, and the mind is transcended. The meditator transcends time, space, and causation. It is regarded as the brightness night of the soul. When the yogi attains the state of shunya or nirvana, the stage succeeded samadhi of illumination. Coming to India, how we are going to celebrate? See, Mandi Shivaratri, I mean, is coming. Yeah, Mahashivratri is celebrated especially in Tamil Nadu with a great pomp and fanfare in Annamalayar temple located in Tirunmalai district. The special process of worship on this day is Girivalam, Giri Pradakshina. And India, if you want to say Visakhapatnam, there is Visakhapatnam. Do you know the Simhachalam is also? They also do the Giri Pradakshina at March. Sorry, May. I mean, especially May, while they are removing the Gandham from this god Simhachaleswara. Say, coming to the point, a 14-kilometer barefoot walk around Lord Shiva temple on top of the hill. A huge lamp of oil and camphor is lit on the hilltop at sunset. Not to be confused with Kartigai Deepam. The major Jyotirlinga Shiv temples of India, 12. Saurashtra Somnathancha, Srisailam Mallikarjuna, Ujjainipura Mahakala, Onkara Paryalyam Vaidyanathancha, Daginyam Bhimasankaram, Setubandhita Ramesan, Nagisandharakavani. Varanasi and Vishwesham, Traimangam Gautamitere, Himalaya to Kedaran, Krishnasancha Sivalaya. See, 12 Jyotirlingas temples, India, such as in already told you, as in Varanasi and Somnatha, are particularly frequented on Mahashivratri. They serve also at sites of fairs at special events. Coming to Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Shivaratri Yatras held at Mallayya Gutta temple in Kambalapalli, Gundlakamba Kona near railway Koduru, Panchal Kona, Bhairav Kona, Uma Maheswara, amongst others. And Srisalam also they do very best. Special pujas held at Pancharams like Amaramam of Amaravati. It's near to Guntur in Andhra Pradesh. Somaramam of Bhimavaram, Draksharamam, Kumaram of Samalakota, and Kshiramam of Palapallu. The days immediately after Shivaratri are celebrated at Brahmoswar at Srisalam, one of the 12 Jyotirlinga sites also. Mahashivratri Utsavalu are held at Rudreshwara Swami 100 years pillar temple Warangal. In Warangal rivers throne for the special puja of Srikalasti, Mahanandi, Yaganti, Antarvedi, Kattamanchi, Pattisima, Bhairavakona, Hanmakonda, Kisargutta, Vemulwada, Pongal, Kolanupaka, among others. The Mandi fair is the town of Mandi is particularly famous as a venue of Mahashivratri celebrations. It transforms the town that the devotees pour in it. It believed that all gods and goddesses of the area, set to number more than 200, assemble here on the day of the Mahashivratri Mandi, located at the bank of Bees. The popular known as Kedarnath temples, and one of the oldest towns of the Himachal Pradesh, with about 81 temples of different gods and goddesses on its periphery. In Kashmiri Saivism, Mahashivratri is celebrated by Hindus of Kashmir and called Herat in Kashmir. A word derived from the Sanskrit word Hera, Hararatri, the night of Hara, other name Shiva. Shivaratri, regarded as the most important festival of the community. For instance, is celebrated by them on Trayodasi, on 13th of the dog off of the month of Palguna. It means February, March, and not on the Chaturdashi or the 14th, as in the rest of the country. The reason of for it is this long down festival. This is celebrated for one full fortnight, as an elaborate ritual in associated with the appearance of Bhairava, Shiv, as a Jwala Linga or a Linga of flame. It is the celebrated Brahmosva in Tantric text as on the occasion Bhairava and Bhairavi is Sakti or cosmic energy as populated through Tantric worship. According to legend associated with the origin of the worship, the linga appeared at Pradoshkala or the dusk of every night as the blazing column of fire and dazzling Veduka Bhairava Rama or Ramana Bhairava Rama Bhairava Mahadeva's mind-born sons who approached it to discover beginning of the end but miserably failed. Exasperated and terrified, they began to sing its praises went to Mahadevi, who worshipped Mazar with awe-inspiring Jwala Linga. The goddess blessed both Vatuka and Ramana. They would be Bhairava emerged from a pitcher full of water at Mahadevi cast a glance into it, fully armed with all his witch walnuts are kept for soaking worship along with Shiva, Parvati, Kumara, Ganesha. Their ganas attended deities, yoginis, and kshetrapalas, guardians of the quarters. All represented by clay images. The soaked walnuts are later distributed as a naivedya. The ceremony is called Vatuk Baran in Kashmir, which means filling the pitcher of water, represent the Vatuka Bhairava with walnuts and worshipping. See, and Central India has a large number of Shaiva followers. Mahakaleshwar temple, Ujjain, is one of the most venerated shrines consecrated to Shiva, which a large congregation of devotees gathers to the prayers on the day of Mahashivratri. Tiwari Ghat is the city of the Jabalpur, and Math Temple and village of Gionara, Sioni are two other places where the festival is celebrated with more religious fervor. Coming to the Punjab, Shobha Yatras be organized by various Hindu organizations in different cities. Is a grand festival of Punjabi Hindus. In coming to the Gujarat, the Mahashivratri Mela is held Bhavana near Junagadh. All is in Junagadh. From Junagadh, you know that where the bath in a Murgi, Mrigi Kund is considered holy. According to myth, Lord Shiva himself comes to bath in a Mrugi Kund. Coming to the West Bengal, Mahashivratri observed devotedly by unmarried girls seeking a suitable husband after often visiting Tarakeshwar temple. Stories coming to the end, coming like our devotees beliefs means there are several stories beliefs associated with the Ashpesh Venat. And coming to Samudra Mantan, it's believed on the particular day Lord Shivalanga gulped halahala produced during Samudra Madram beheld it in his neck, which bruised and turned blue, after which he has named Nilkanta. It is also believed the famous Nilkanta Mahadev temple is a place where the incident took place. So this is about the Mahashivratri, which for as per my knowledge, I have gathered a lot of matter. Yes, me also visited 30 times Varanasi is I'm the person. Luckily, I visited. Especially one day, I didn't till I didn't forget that day. Lack of people at Varanasi Mahasura night of 12 o'clock. I'm just like that day still I can remember. Unable to see God Shivlinga. I mean God Shivlinga Varanasi Vishwanath temple. Lot of people gathered. It's a crowd like anything. I can't able to breathe. I felt like that actually it's happened that day. But still, I can remember this line. But don't worry. Just try to visit Kashi Vishwanath temple. It's I like him like that God very much. हर हर महादेव नमस्ते भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्र्यंबकं त्रिपुरांतकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकंठाय मृत्युंजयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय शंभो महादेवा सब्सक्राइबिंग थैंक यू